In this video, I will guide you through how to host a website on GitHub. Hosting a website using GitHub Pages is an excellent option because it's completely free and doesn't require any hosting fees or complicated server setup. If you're building a static website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, GitHub Pages makes it easy to publish your site online and share it with anyone. So, let's get started. Open your browser and go to GitHub website, github.com. If you already have a GitHub account, sign in. If not, create a new account and then log in. Alright, once you're signed into the GitHub dashboard, click the green button, Create Repository to create a new repository. Under Owner, make sure your GitHub account is selected. For the repository name, enter your GitHub username followed by .github.io, for example, your username.github.io. After that, scroll down and under Visibility, select Public. Now click the Create Repository button. Once the repository has been created, we're ready to host the website. If you want to create website files directly in GitHub, you can create new files manually. However, if you already have a website ready, click Uploading an existing file. Next, choose your files. Browse to your website folder, select all of your website files, and then click Open to upload them to the repository. Alright, after all of your website files have been uploaded, click the Commit Changes button. GitHub will now process and upload the files, so wait a few seconds until the upload is complete. Once that's done, your repository is ready. Make sure the main branch is selected on the repository page. Next, click on Settings. In the left-hand navigation menu, click Pages. Under Branch, make sure Main is selected, and under the folder option, make sure Root is selected. After confirming these settings, GitHub Pages will generate and publish your website. Now let's check if the website is live. Go back to your repository page and you'll see your GitHub Pages website URL. Copy the website link and open it in your browser. As you can see, the website is now live and working perfectly. You can also connect a custom domain name to your GitHub Pages website if you want to use your own domain instead of the default GitHub URL. GitHub Pages is a great solution for hosting static websites, whether it's a portfolio website, product landing page, personal website, documentation site, or any other project built with static pages. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.